Hello guys, I'm gonna do a very fast review on these shoes. Yeah, I found an issue with them and I'm not happy at all. Oh god, I just realized that I lost my time just buying them today. Like I said, I buy them from Lidl, price was around £15. Not very expensive for this type of shoes. uh, I love them because they are kind of sport a little bit. uh, Metal in the front for the, I don't know, if something fell on your feet, they're not gonna hurt you. Nice material as well, waterproof, everything you need is here. But the issue is, put them on the floor for a second just to show you what's the big issue. You're not gonna observe that, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. They are from the left foot, both of them. What the heck? For God's sake. Yeah, I can't use them. So next time when you go in the store to buy something, like shoes, for example, check what you're buying. Look at the smallest detail. That's my only advice I can give you. If not, you can see what's happening. Left foot, both of the shoes. My God, I didn't expect that. Yeah. So good luck at your shopping and have a nice day, guys.